Oh yeah, that's right. I got room. I got room. I'm gonna be up for about 4 minutes until I try to do a pattern.
Okay.
So after 4 minutes, make sure I'm clear to land. And keep him away. Keep everybody away. Away. Whose car is that? Huh? You alright? We good? Yo! No. No. Make sure I'm clear from landing. How much? Gear check. There's a car. Am I clear? Yeah. You sure? Yeah. I thought there was a car coming.
The car is them this side.
It's okay. It's okay. But I thought there was a car coming this way. There was no car?
No, just this car coming.
Too much traffic, man. Too much fucking traffic.
Yeah, that's why I fell down and yeah.
It's okay. It didn't hurt nothing. I landed right here in the grass. It's still okay. When I was here the other day, there was no one, dude. It's okay.
About the landing gear, nose gear.
It's okay. It's like, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Nope. Nose is done. Yo, I thought there was traffic coming this way, man. I didn't know. I can't see. So I was like, well, I'm not gonna hit a car. It's just this.
I was saying land it now, so you...
Well, I can't do that, dude. I can't land it now when there's...
Okay.
Because you had time.
Well, I know, but oh yeah, this is cracked a little bit. I'm gonna have to pop this off. Damn it, dude. Too much fucking traffic. I was perfect.
Good land. Oh, good fly here, though.
Well, yeah. I mean, I could have landed it good, but I could have swore there was a car coming this way. I can't see.
Try one more time to.
No, there's. See this right here? If I see, there's a gear in there. If you hold this up. No, hold this up right here. It's whoops. That's my hand. Hold on. Can I hold it?
Go.
What happens is you have to like reset it.
It's locked.
Yeah, hold on a second.
It's locked. Pull it down. Pull it down.
Shh. I know what I'm doing. Oh, still time. Sorry. I know it's wrong. It's a safe. It'll jam. Yeah, it'll jam on purpose. Hear it?
Yeah.
What's that noise? Oh, you're hitting the... I gotta take it apart. It's over centered. Everything else is fine, right?
Yeah.
I knew that was gonna happen, dude. I was like, there's too many. I was up there. I was like, I see a car go this way. I see a car go that way. I'm like, what the fuck, dude? Hold on. Ready? Trying to move it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down. Ready?
All right.
No, hold it. Pull it. Try to pull it down. Ready? Pull it. Oh, no. It's okay. Don't worry about that. It's metal.
All right.
Ready?
Almost.
Ready? It's moving. Hold on. Ready? Yeah, do it. Go. Ready? Help it. Go. Hard. Nope. Ready?
Wait. It is stuck. There.
No, it ain't stuck. This isn't stuck. Look. This moves fine. That doesn't do anything.
So this is for
Yeah, no,
steering?
it's steering. Yes. So here, let me see something. Maybe I shut power off. I don't know. Because I think when power comes on, it's harder to move. Actually, can you work that up and down the gear?
Which one is it?
The one on the left, the big one on the left.
This one?
One that says gear.
Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. There we go. Okay. Now up. Oh. Okay. I think I have to reset it. Do it again. Oh. I might have to reset it. Stand by. Gear down. It wasn't really that hard of a hit.
No, it was actually pretty soft landing.
Okay, gear up. Oh. Didn't disconnect. That was moving, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a mechanism inside that's supposed to make sure I didn't disconnect here. I might have. Hold this.
You know, sometimes
hold this.
The
Stand by.
the safe for doing lock to not make sure the gear not goes down, go up.
Try it. Down. Okay, up. fly it without.
Yeah. Without gear down.
What? Just nose gear.
What?
Nose gear.
And too many cars.
What's wrong?
Traffic. I thought there was a car coming. Look, there is a car coming now.
There wasn't one
It's coming
this
now.
way.
I didn't know where they were coming from.
No, I said if we're there, we will stop the car, you know?
No, I know, but
Next time we need another guy there.
it's all right. It didn't. I gotta just. Yeah, the nose gear
What's the landing gear?
right here.
No, the other one.
They're there. They're tucked in. It won't go up. See?
Oh.
No problem. I would have been all right if, you know,
You still can fix it.
too much fucking traffic.
That's nice, man.
There is too much traffic.
Yeah, it's still.
Somebody look, Hussein, you know?
Huh?
Somebody look at Hussein.
Oh, you got that? Let me see that canopy.
Oh, this is your canopy?
Yeah. What happened there? Drag the battery.
Hard landing.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy land. Landing gear, كيف الواحد ما قبل.
Huh? No, the nose won't come down, see? Or won't go up. See? Hit me again. That's down, right?
Yes.
Just want to make sure I'm not disconnected electrically. I don't think I am. I heard it move. Go up again.
Something here.
Hold on. Go down. Yeah, okay, now wait.
Hear the sound here.
I know, hold on. Go up. Down. Yeah, I gotta pull it apart. There's a little mechanism in there. I've done it before. It's just, I gotta pull the gear apart. It's done that before. Not this one, but a different one. I would have been fine, man, but I thought there was a car coming this way, so I didn't want to hit the car. You know? Whoa, easy. Easy now. I'll have to fix it. I don't have tools with me. But it'll be a quick fix. Yeah, there's a mechanism inside that spins.
That's like a
It's just disconnected, yeah. I have to take it apart and then reconnect it. So I'll fly the Habu.
Habu's as cool as this one.
Yeah.
Turn this off or what?
Yeah. It'll be back up. Not today, but I gotta take it apart.
It was good though.
Yeah, it's so good.
I like your little stunt in the air, little.
Oh, I was recording.